I've been interested in woodworking since I was a child, probably 8-9 years old. Always liked to build things. Always got a lot of satisfaction from building something with my hands. Always loved to use my hands. I get a lot of satisfaction, and it's an escape for me when I'm solving a problem with woodworking, whether it's joinery or spacing issues or anything. I start working on something, and next thing you know, it's 3 in the morning and I'm still working on it. Even when I go to bed, sometimes while I'm sleeping, my brain, I feel, is still working on it. I wake up in the morning and it's still working on it. But then once I figure it out, I can go and build it and design it.